Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying system-level controls so app changes actually take effect. First, make sure your phone volume and Do Not Disturb are off and notifications are enabled in Settings. Then open Snapchat, go to your profile, tap Settings, and enter Notifications. Toggle the main switches to force a refresh. Also check that Snapchat has background app refresh and mobile data permission enabled. These initial steps clear common blockers and prepare the app for deeper fixes. Once done with global checks, focus on Snapchat-specific configurations and cache state. You should toggle each notification type, messages, stories, mentions, off and then back on, because that re-registers the preferences with the system. Next, clear Snapchat's cache from its settings menu, and if needed, clear app storage in your system settings to remove corrupted temporary files. Restart your phone to complete the refresh, then send a test message or ask a friend to trigger one notification so you can verify behavior. To finish, reinstall Snapchat to fully reset its data and force fresh permission prompts. Sign back in and re-enable notifications. Make sure your phone isn't routing sound to Bluetooth or a paired device, and inspect Android notification channels or iOS notification grouping to ensure the Snapchat channel has sound assigned. If problems persist, create a temporary account to isolate account-level issues, and if needed, contact Snapchat support with screenshots and app logs. One troubleshooting tip: test with another device to confirm whether it's device or account related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.